So we're going to do some scrambled eggs today with chicken, vegetables. I've got a little bit of spicy paprika in there. It's really, really lovely. It's a nice budget, simple, easy meal. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we've got here is 1 cup of chicken. I'm using chicken breast, no skin, no bone in there, cut nice and small. Everything here is small, as you can see. And then we've got onion, sweet corn, carrot, zucchini, courgette or kusa, whatever you call that, and bell peppers there. There's about 2 or 3 tablespoons of each. I've got a teaspoon here of paprika. That's quite a spicy paprika. You can change that and put something else in if you want, if you don't want it spicy. And I've got a couple of teaspoons of garlic. So I've got a pan here. It's a non-stick pan. Non-stick pans are really good if you're going to be making any sort of form of omelette or something like that. And I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. We're going to drop in that cup of chicken. As you can see, cut into nice small cubes. Couple of teaspoons of garlic. About 2 tablespoons of onion. Salt. Black pepper. Medium heat. We're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to add in carrot, nice and small, bell peppers, zucchini, courgette or kusa, whatever you call that, sweet corn. Now you could be putting in here celery, you could be putting in here eggplant, you could be putting in here, you know, whatever you want really, some olives or something like that. I'm now going to add my paprika. Like I say, if you want, you can omit that and add something else. Okay, again, we're going to go on a medium heat, stay on this medium heat, and we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so, stirring fairly often. Okay, beautiful. Now we can go in 2 directions. We're going to go in a kind of scrambled egg fashion today. But if you're going to go for an actual omelette, what you need to do is remove all of the mixture now, clean the pan, go back in with your egg so it kind of creates a nice base, and then add, you know, spoon this back on and then go for the fold. But what we're going to do is we're going to go straight in with our eggs. Now I've got 6 eggs here, but they're quite small, so maybe 4 large. So in we go with our egg, beaten. And then very simply we're just going to cook this until you're happy. Some people like their eggs, you know, really nice and soft. Some like their eggs well done. Okay, I'll be back in about, I don't know, 4 minutes maybe. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm happy about there. That is beautiful. Let's get that on the plate. Okay, and there you go. Look, I've just served that with some tomatoes around the edge, a little bit of chopped parsley on top. Get that on the middle of the table. It's a lovely sort of sharing dish. Good for breakfast, good for lunch, good for dinner. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.